Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class of English. In our session, we are going to start a new lesson, and the name of your lesson is The Mistaken Plate. And it is your non detailed lesson, children. So, we will look only into the book back exercise and we will not write any classwork notes for this. The Mistaken Plate. That is the name of your lesson. Once upon a time, there lived a merchant who sold things made of brass and tin. He used to travel across the rivers and mountains to sell. He usually traveled with another merchant who also sold things made of brass and tin. They also used to buy things made of different metals to melt and use. The second merchant was always greedy as he tried to pay as less as possible. So, what is the story, children? This story is happening once upon a time. The exact time is not given here. And this is a story about a merchant. Who is a merchant? A person who sells things. And what does this merchant sell? This merchant sells things made out of brass and tin. What is the meaning of brass? Pittalai. Tin means irumbu. Okay, children, and he used to travel across the rivers and mountains. For how long did he travel, or how much distance he traveled? He traveled across the river and the mountains to sell. And he never used to travel alone, he traveled with another merchant. And this merchant also sold things made of brass and tin. And other than selling things, they will also buy things of different metals to melt and use. What is the meaning of it? They will also buy metals, and what will they do with the metals they buy? They will melt it. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? விதவிதமான வகையான பாத்திரங்கள் திங்ஸ் வாங்கி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? அதை உருக்கி ஒரு புது வெசலாவோ பாத்திரமாவோ மாத்துவாங்க. The second merchant was always greedy. How was the second merchant? He was a very greedy person. Greedy person என்ன அர்த்தம்? பேராசை. பேராசை பிடித்தவர். And he always tried to pay less. As he was a greedy person, he only paid half the amount of the actual rate. Like suppose, if you take a plate, children, if the plate is 20 rupees, this second merchant will pay only 10 rupees. He will cheat 10 rupees from the buyer. One day, when they went to a town, they divided the streets of the town. They did not want to disturb each other while selling. They moved through the streets they had chosen and called utensils made of brass and tin for sale. So, what happened? One day they went to a town and they divided the streets of the. What is the meaning of divided the streets of the town? ரெண்டு பேர் வியாபாரம் பண்றாங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? நீ இந்த சைடு போ, நான் அந்த சைடில் போறேன், பிரிச்சுக்கிறது. They did not want to disturb each other. So they யார் யார் எந்த வழியில் போகணும்னு டிசைட் பண்ணாங்களோ அந்த வழியில் போயிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. போகும்போது என்னமா பண்ணாங்க? They were calling out saying that brass and utensils are available for sale. என்ன சொல்வாங்க? பித்தளை பாத்திரங்கள் வியாபாரத்துக்கு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிட்டே ரோட்ல நடந்து போனாங்க. In an old house, there lived a woman and her granddaughter. They were once a wealthy family now, but lived in poverty. They had only one plate left as a memory of their wealth. The grandmother had kept the plate in memory of her husband. So, what happened next? We are going to look into the next set of characters of the story. This story is happening in an old house. And who lived in that old house, children? A woman and her granddaughter. ஒரு பாட்டியும் பேத்தியும் அந்த பழைய வீட்டில் இருந்தாங்க. They were once a wealthy family. What is the meaning of wealthy family? ஒரு காலத்துல அவங்க ரொம்ப பணக்காரங்களா இருந்தாங்க. பட் இப்போ எப்படி இருக்காங்க? Now they lived in poverty. Poverty-னா என்ன? வறுமை. And what was there in the house? They had only one plate left. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? When they were very rich, they had lot of things to use. But after they lost their wealth, children, they had only one plate left as a memory. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் தொலைஞ்சாலும் சில விஷயங்கள் ஞாபகார்த்தமாக வச்சிருப்போம் இல்லையம்மா, அதுக்கு தான் that is called memory, to keep it in memory of their wealth. And whom she is keeping this in memory of? It is kept in the memory of her husband. The greedy merchant passed the house saying, utensils made of brass and tins for sale. Who passed this house? It was the greedy merchant. The granddaughter heard him and said to her grandmother, Ammamma, please buy something for me. What did this little girl ask her grandmother? She asked her grandmother to buy something for her. She replied, Kanna, we do not have money to buy anything. We do not have anything to trade with. The granddaughter said, we have that one old plate that we don't use. Let's see what the merchant will offer for it. We can get something we can use. What did this grandmother say? Kanna, we don't have money. நம்மக்கிட்ட பணம் எதுவுமே இல்லை வாங்குறதுக்காக. அதை கொடுத்து மாற்றிக்கிறதுக்கும் நம்மக்கிட்ட எதுவுமே இல்லை. What did the granddaughter say for this? We have one old plate. நம்மக்கிட்ட ஒரு பழைய பிளேட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த பிளேட்டை கொடுத்து நம்ம அதுக்கு எக்ஸ்சேஞ்சாக நம்ம ஏதாவது திங்ஸ் வாங்கிக்கலாம்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. So, Ammamma called the merchant and showed the plate. She asked, will you take this plate and give any of your utensils? What did Ammamma do? Went to this greedy merchant, gave the plate and asked for some utensils. The man took the plate and scratched it with a needle. He found that it was a golden plate. He said, what is it worth? Not even 1 rupee. He threw the plate on the ground and walked away. You know what this greedy merchant did? He took the plate and scratched it. Scratched it na enna அர்த்தம்? சொரண்டி பார்க்குறது. He used a needle. ஊசி வச்சு அந்த பிளேட்டை வந்து கீறி பார்த்தாங்க. So, and when he scratched it, he found that it was a golden plate. What kind of a plate it was? It was made out of gold. ஒரு தங்கத்தட்டு. But as this was a greedy person, he said, it is not worth even 1 rupee. And you know what he did? He threw the plate on the ground and walked away. Both the merchants completed their streets. They decided that either of them could go to any house that the other did not sell in. The first merchant passed the same old house and called utensils made of brass and tin for sale. You know, both the merchants completed their street. That is, they went all over the town and sold things. And they also decided that they can go to any street for they want and sell in any house. அது எப்படின்னா, எந்த தெருவுக்கு வேணாலும் போகலாம், எந்த வீட்டில் வேணாலும் போய் சேல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நீ போன அதனால நான் போகக்கூடாது, நான் போனேன் நீ போகக்கூடாது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இல்லை. The little girl again asked her Ammamma to check. She said, Kanna, the first merchant threw the plate and went away. I have nothing else to offer. Again this little girl asked her Ammamma to show the same plate and get something in return. But the girl replied, Grandma, that merchant was angry. This merchant looks nice. Maybe we will get something. You know what the girl said to her grandmother? She said, that merchant was very angry, but this merchant looks very nice. For sure we will get something. Ammamma asked the girl to call the merchant and show the plate. The merchant took the plate in his hands and found that it was made of gold. He said, I'm not rich enough to buy this plate. This is a gold plate. So Amamma asked the girl to call the merchant, and the merchant came and took the plate in his hands. You know what he said, children? This is a plate made of gold. And the merchant என்ன பண்ணார் வந்து தன்னோட கையில் எடுத்து அந்த பிளேட்டை பார்த்தாரு. பிளேட்டை பார்த்தோன்னே என்ன சொன்னாங்க, இந்த பிளேட் வந்து ஒரு தங்கத்தட்டு, இந்த தங்கத்தட்டை வாங்குற அளவுக்கு நான் அந்த அளவுக்கு பணம் உள்ளவங்க கிடையாது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Amama said, "Are you sure this is gold?" The other merchant threw this on the ground and went away. Amama was shocked. "Are you sure? உங்களுக்கு நிச்சயமா தெரியுமா இது தங்கத்தட்டு தானா?" இன்னொரு மர்ச்சன்ட் வந்து இது தூக்கி போட்டுட்டு போயிட்டாரே அப்படின்னு கேள்வி கேட்டாங்க. The merchant said, "I don't know why he did that. If you wish to sell it, take all the dishes you want." So, but what did this merchant say in reply? I don't know why he say that. அந்த மர்ச்சன்டே அது மாதிரி சொன்னாருன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. ஆனால் இந்த தங்கத்தட்டை எனக்கு விற்கணும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா I will give everything that I have to you in exchange for the gold plate. The little girl took some dishes of her choice, but the merchant was not happy. So he gave all his money, donkey, his cart, and his wares to Amamma. He only kept 8 rupees for the ferry home. So what did the little girl do? She did not know the real worth. அதோட உண்மையான வேல்யூ என்னன்னு அவளுக்கு தெரியாது. அதனால என்ன பண்ணா, அவளுக்கு தேவையான சில வெசல்ஸை மட்டும் எடுத்து வச்சுக்கிட்டா. பட் த மர்ச்சன்ட் வாஸ் அன் ஆனஸ்ட் மர்ச்சன்ட். அதனால என்ன பண்ணாரு, he gave all his money, he gave this donkey, and he gave all the vessels, and he gave this cart and all the money he had. And you know how much money he kept in his hands to return home? 8 rupees. He kept only 8 rupees to return in a ferry. Ferryங்கிறது என்ன, சின்னதாக ஒரு படகு மாதிரிமா, வீட்டுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ஒரு சின்ன படகு மாதிரி. He quickly went towards the river. He paid the 8 rupees to the boatman and to take him across the river. Soon the greedy merchant went back to the old house. He called the girl and said, "I have changed my mind. I will give you 10 rupees for it." You know, after this incident, the greedy merchant came back. You know what happened? The greedy merchant came back to the same house and he called the girl and said, "I have changed my mind. I will give you 10 rupees for it." இந்த greedy merchant என்ன பண்ணார், போகிற மாதிரி போயிட்டு திரும்ப வந்து, சரி பரவாயில்ல, நான் உங்களுக்காக ஒரு 10 rupees கொடுக்குறேன், அந்த பிளேட்டை எனக்கே கொடுத்துருங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. But you know what Amamma said? You considered the plate worthless, but another merchant has paid a huge price for it and took it. What did Amamma say in reply? உங்களுக்கு இந்த பிளேட் வந்து worthless, ஒரு பைசா கூட உபயோகம் இல்லாததான் நினைச்சீங்க, பட் இன்னொரு மர்ச்சன்ட் வந்து அதுக்கு நிறைய பணம் கொடுத்து வாங்கிட்டாரு அண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நிறுத்துறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி எண்ட் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்டோரி சில்ட்ரன். யூ நோ வாட் இஸ் த மாரல் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்டோரி? இஃப் யூ ஆர் பீயிங் greedy, you will only lose you will lose. But if you are being honest and truthful, good will come to you and you will always gain in your life. That is the moral of this story.